we'll start back from there again. You hear me? Turn around in one of these parked cars. And then we'll start back there from the beginning where we were just at. So basically, turn around, then turn around again. Look at this shit here, man. Wow, look at this. This is what the tornado did, man. This is when it's bad. Think about the people who have businesses. The people who have businesses that can't even do nothing right now because their businesses are tore up. Look at this. Look at this. This is bad, man. This is aftermath. This the aftermath. Look at that building. Wait, go and turn around. Look down here. Ooh, go down there too. Straight down the street. Look at this, y'all. This is what West Side went through with this tornado. It was an F2. Look at this, y'all. And still, look at this car. Look at the, oh my God. Look at this. Wow, man. Look at this. Look at that car. So you gotta be grateful and thankful for what you have because some people don't have nothing anymore. Look at these people's houses, man. These people's houses, man. Look at this. This is crazy. Wow, man. His house barely, he didn't get hit. He didn't get hit. He got lucky, that man there. Look at this house here. Bags and trash everywhere. Look at this, y'all. Still people over here trying to look at this, y'all. This is the aftermath. People who probably been living in their homes for a while over here have to go through this. They probably staying in somebody with somebody, a family member. They probably in a shelter. Who knows what they're going through? But this here is sad, man. Look at these people. They got hit with a F2. And it's crazy because, babe, you know what? This the area we said we liked. Remember, we was like, damn, we like to move over here. Maybe one meant for us to move over here because of whatever the reason is. God know before we know. This is what people look at this, y'all. It's sad, man. That garage is trade. Oh man, look at that. These people homes just tore up. Somebody slept here. Somebody had a bed here. Somebody had kids. Look at this. F2. West side of Temple, Texas, y'all. This was the worst storm they had. They haven't been hit with a tornado since I believe it was 1956 or 1954. It was either 54 or 56. I believe, yeah, it was 56. They haven't been hit with a tornado since then. Now just think of how long that was. So just think about most of the people that live here. The first thought they had, well, it's gonna pass. It's gonna pass. It always pass. They didn't expect this. These people didn't expect this. Dang, man, it's a big old hole in that house over on the side. Goodness. see this coming, y'all. Some people still blessed to be at a house. They got a little roof damage. But the fact that they gotta sit next to houses that look like that, they living next to houses that look like that with that type of damage. The thought that it could have been their house as well, the cars, windows out. This is sad, y'all. Guy over there working on the roof. He working on the roof over there. Look at that structure right there, y'all. You see that? Some businesses took a lot of hits and losses. They reconstruction this right here. Trying to get it back together right now. So think about the people who have businesses that's out of business right now. Go ahead. Yeah. The traffic be so bad down here. So this is what it is, y'all. This is what it is. The losses. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Be thankful for what you have, man. Be thankful. Look at these businesses. These people out of jobs right now. These people out of jobs right now. They can't even work right now. If you got a job that you really ain't liking right now, it might not be the best job. It's still a job. You're still able to come to work. These people definitely not, man. But I said that all that to say this. Y'all be blessed, man, and be thankful for what you have. Because you never know what you can lose. I'm gonna holler at y'all.